Introducing the Echo Show 5 3rd Gen 2023 release, in Cloud Blue Bundle with TP-linked Kasa Smart Color Bulb. This amazing bundle brings you the convenience of voice-controlled lighting with the power of Alexa. With the Echo Show 5, you can control your lights hands-free. Simply say, "Alexa, turn on the lights," and watch as your smart bulb illuminates the room. But that's not all. With Alexa, you have full control over the color and brightness of your bulbs. Just say, "Alexa, turn the lights blue," and create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Setting up your smart light is a breeze. Just power on your Echo, screw in your smart bulb, and let Alexa take care of the rest. No complicated installations or technical know-how required. But the Echo Show 5 is not just a smart lighting controller. Alexa can do so much more. Set alarms and timers, play relaxing music as you sleep, start your day with a customized smart home routine, check your calendar, and even get the latest weather updates, all through simple voice commands. And don't worry about your privacy. Amazon has designed the Echo Show 5 with multiple layers of privacy controls. With a mic, camera off button and a built-in camera shutter, you have the peace of mind knowing that your personal information remains secure. Upgrade your home with the Echo Show 5 3rd Gen 2023 release, in Cloud Blue Bundle with TP-linked Kasa Smart Color Bulb. Get ready to experience the future of smart living.